Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. You'll go to go channel for leverage opportunities and career tips. So today opportunity is from the PwC, which is one of the big four global giant. And PwC is hiring for an analytics focused role. Then this opportunity includes Python, SQL, Power BI, and data analytics skills. So if you want to enter into the consulting and analytics together, then watch this video till the end and let's dive deep into the details. So the role is of risk modeling services, basically into the technical associate team, and it's based out of Bangalore location. And also this role combines multiple areas, that is analytics that I already mentioned, risk modeling, data interpretations, business problem solving. So that is a mix of a lot of data risk and business related roles. So this is going to have great exposure throughout the journey, and you'll also be working with insurance and financial data sets to generate insights and supporting business decisions. So definitely it's going to be something with a lot of learnings, and it will also bring you a lot of experience working with global clients. So let's deep dive into the skills required sections and responsibilities for this particular role. So skills required that they have mentioned in their portal is Python, SQL, Excel, Power BI. Power BI or Tableau, any one thing is fine. Along with that, they have also mentioned strong analytical skills, which is a mandatory skill for any data related roles. And coming back to the other non-tech skill or like kind of interpersonal skill, or maybe what we should say non-technical skills. So that is communication skills, which is must, because this is a client-facing role. Along with that, they have also mentioned problem-solving ability, team collaboration, and uh, attention to detail and all that kind of skills, which is again non-negotiable skills in any analytics role. So, and they prefer candidate from computer science, statistics, economics, mathematics, and finance background, as they have mentioned. Experience they have mentioned is 1 to 2 years of experience into data role, or like, or finance role, economics, or any data related or analytics related role. Also, they have mentioned one great thing, that is freshers with strong projects and skills can also apply. So even if you are someone who is a fresher and do not have any experience to put it in your resume, then you can still apply for this opportunity. But yeah, there's a mandatory thing, which is good projects in your resume. So you must add some good projects before applying for these kinds of role, especially if you are applying for such a big company like PwC. And this role also gives exposure to consulting environment, as already mentioned, plus financial risk analysis, data-driven business decisions, plus a lot of analytics projects that you will be dealing with. And coming to the other things that they have mentioned. So there are nothing much to add there, but I already mentioned that if you have a very good projects in your resume, and you are a fresher still, you can apply for this opportunity. And other than that, they are they'll prefer someone with 1 or 2 years of experience, that they have already mentioned over here. You can see, and they have also mentioned skills that I think we already went through: the Python, SQL, Tableau, Power BI, or QuickSight. VBA programming, which is something is in Excel. If you know VBA, you will be given preferences over the other candidates. And self-motivated candidate, plus certifications. If you have any valid certifications into these particular areas, then you will be again given preferences over the other candidates. So these are some of the criteria that they have mentioned, and if you think you are the right candidate for this opportunity, then we have mentioned a direct link for this job into the description. Go check it out and apply as soon as possible. Also, do us a favor: if you liked our content, like this video, subscribe to our channel for the notes if you haven't subscribed till now, and share this with your friends and peers who are preparing for analytics roles. And yes, that's it. Keep moving, keep improving your Python, SQL, and dashboarding skills if you want to move into data related roles, because companies are increasingly looking for professionals who can combine analytics with business understanding. And yes, that's it for this wonderful opportunity. I will see you in the next video with another great opportunity. Thank you.